My name is Daniel Gerlach, and coffee is my life's work. Because here too, everything keeps evolving. The technology, the customer's expectations, the possibilities for refinement. And that's why I'm always looking for ways to get the best out of every cup. And where could that be done better than with WMF professional coffee machines? Here at Team WMF, I'm responsible for knowledge transfer and contribute my expertise to various areas. Starting with development, through handling, to the automation of the WMF Espresso Next, which is a real asset, even for me as a barista, the way to the final result. Because ultimately, it's about the combination of all aspects, the perfect interplay of automation and coffee artistry, of performance and enjoyment. This is how we ensure that every single coffee creation made by WMF, whether in the office, in a cafe, at a hotel, or at the airport, tastes just as excellent as this one here.